Hi everyone, this is your biology class. I'm your teacher Seema Atreja. Students, in this video we are going to discuss about the histology of alimentary canal. In our previous video we discussed about the buccal cavity, in which we study palate, tongue, teeth and salivary glands. Before discussing about the esophagus, food pipe, stomach, small intestine, we will discuss in this video histology of alimentary canal. Histology, that is tissue organization of alimentary canal. There are 4 layers which constitute the wall of the alimentary canal. We will discuss these 4 layers one by one in this video. First layer is known as the peritoneum or serosa layer, which forms the outermost layer of the alimentary canal, and it is made up of simple squamous epithelial layer. This one is the first layer, which forms the outer wall layer. In case of alimentary canal, we called it as serosa or peritoneum. It is made up of single layered squamous epithelial cells. That is, the flat cells constitutes the outermost layer of alimentary canal. Second layer is muscularis. Muscularis is made up of 2 types of layer. We divided the muscularis into the 2 layer. Muscularis is the second layer present inside the serosa. This one is the outermost layer which constitute the muscularis, and then this black layer forms the second layer of the muscularis. The outer layer is known as the outer longitudinal muscularis because it is made up of longitudinal muscles, and inside this longitudinal muscles are present the inner black color circular muscles. We called it as inner circular muscularis. Both these together constitute the muscularis, second layer of the alimentary canal. What we observe in case of stomach only, there is third layer present into the muscularis, and we called it as oblique muscle. In case of stomach only, there are 3 layers constitute the muscularis: outer longitudinal muscle and inner circular muscle. Along with these 2 layers, third layer is also present in case of stomach, that is known as the oblique muscularis. These 3 layers are present in stomach, but in rest of the part of the alimentary canal there are 2 layers only present, that is the outer longitudinal muscularis, which is present below the peritoneum or serosa, and after that black colored inner circular muscularis is there. In between the longitudinal and circular muscle layer, there is a red line I drawn with the red color. What is this? This is the network of parasympathetic neurons. This is the network of parasympathetic neurons. What is their function? And what we called it as the network of parasympathetic neurons, we called it as Aurobac plexus. We called it as Aurobac plexus. What is their function? They help in coordination of muscular activities, as these muscles help in creating the peristalsis movement or movement inside the alimentary canal. So this Aurobac plexus help in coordination of muscular activities and help in the movement like activities. The third layer is submucosa, which is present inside the muscularis. This is the third layer. We called it as submucosa. It is made up of dense connective tissue and blood vessels and nerves. They are also present in the submucosa layer. Submucosa layer is made up of dense connective tissue, blood vessels and nerves are also present in submucosa layer. The fourth layer is mucosa. This one is known as the mucosa layer. It is the innermost layer. 3 layer constitutes the mucosa layer. The first layer is muscularis mucosa. This one is known as the muscularis mucosa, which forms the first layer of the mucosa layer. Second layer is known as the lamina propria, and third layer is epithelium. The muscularis mucosa, lamina propria and epithelium, these three together constitute the mucosa layer, which forms the innermost layer of the alimentary canal. This epithelium is glandular. Gland cells are present in them. As if we talk about the stomach, the innermost layer is mucosa. This epithelium in case of stomach consists of the gastric glands, and in case of stomach this epithelium consists of the intestinal glands. These glands secretes the digestive juice in which enzymes are present and help in the digestion of food material. So these four layers constitute the alimentary canal. The outermost is serosa, made up of squamous epithelial tissue. The second layer is muscularis, which constitute of muscle layer. It is made up of 2 type of muscles. The outer one is longitudinal muscularis, the inner one is circular muscularis, and in the stomach there is third layer also present below the circular muscles, that is known as the oblique muscle. Third layer is submucosa. Submucosa is made up of dense connective tissue and in dense connective tissue area there are present blood vessels and nerves. The fourth layer is mucosa, which forms the innermost layer. 3 layers are present in the mucosa: muscularis mucosa, lamina propria and epithelium. This epithelium is glandular, which help in secretion of digestive juice in which enzymes are there, which help in digestion of the complex food material. So this is all about the histology of alimentary canal, that is various types of tissue which constitutes the wall of the alimentary canal. Thank you so much.